Hey guys, how's it going? Let's give you a little update of the farmstead. So here's the one of the brown turkey figs that I was air layering off of, and here's the old rusty truck I'm fixing up. Here is the other brown turkey fig, and it's currently November the 7th. So had a little bit of cold weather and all the leaves fell off. And this pathetic looking thing is a very, very, very unattended grapevine slash arbor that has pretty much just gone crazy. So, and the other thing I wanted to show you guys is this, besides this big pile of bricks, this is a sugarcane syrup kettle. It's turned over right now. It's a big cast iron pot. This is a 90-gallon capacity. And over here is a 60-gallon capacity syrup kettle. It's a big cast iron pot. As you can see, it's we had some rain last night. We had a bunch of rainwater in it. And it's very thick. And if you look, this was made by Rourke's Iron Works in Savannah, Georgia. So this is an oldie but a goodie. And you can see they included right here the capacity. It's 60. It's kind of hard to see. But one of the joys of being gone from the farmstead for about 2 years is you have to come back and kind of piece everything back together, and all your projects where they're falling apart. So hopefully we're going to get this thing back together. It's on the list of projects we got to do. And I'll show you the other part of it. The syrup is very tasty. It has a strong iron minerally flavor. I don't know. But the first part of it is, and this is what they call the roller mill. You have to squeeze the juice out of the sugar cane. So this is an old Kehoe Iron Works roller mill. And this also came out of Savannah, Georgia. So, two large square nuts on the end of it give it tension. There's a movable brace that's right here. Let me set my coffee down. There's a movable brace that supports the tension on this, which is where the sweep would be attached. A long pole that you would extend out, and you would attach the horse or the donkey or the mule to, and he would be a 1 horsepower motor. And over here you have the other side of the assembly. It's the same. It's just big square nuts, an iron plate to give it tension, a tensioner, and then another, it's essentially a bearing surface and another shaft. So, and then these the gear teeth would mesh together, and whatever direction this is turning in, you would feed the sugar cane through, and it would squeeze the juice out of the sugar cane. And this is the original piece of pine that I purchased this from a lady, and it originally sat on this. Let me set my coffee down again. And by the way, if you guys don't know, I love coffee, and I'm going to be growing some coffee plants. Hopefully get some coffee cherries, roast some berries, and make some of my own. So anyway, I have a tree right here. We're going to relocate this tree a minute. So you would run the sugar cane between them rollers. The juice would drip down and flow down this little channel, and it would be collected in buckets off the side right here. So it's very hard to see right now, but there used to be, you can kind of see it over here, there used to be very visible indentations. So these little rings go all the way around it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this set up. I'm thinking maybe I should either turn it horizontal or maybe leave it vertical, or maybe even just scrap it and go for a Golden's mill. They have a much smaller version that's a little more up to date, and you can get parts for it. This one is complete, and as far as I know, so it's a very simple mechanism. You just have to get it supported and have to figure out how to either attach that to a PTO or a gas engine, and maybe have to fabricate a bracket or something, get the old welding torch out, put on the thinking cap. But it's another one of the projects on the list. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Have a good one.